This is more than a minute's video about motion track. No way can you come to the gear, media cache, manually delete both at the same time. Reasons for that will be there's some files being used. So if I come and close the program out, and we are using PowerDirector 2024, I have to reopen it, go to the cog on the upper right, media cache, manually delete, and I hit the select, delete, OK, close, and gone. If I come here to the import, I can't import. That is kind of a bug. The only way I can import is to wait for the program that basically froze. Why does the program freeze? I got no clue. I didn't give it a command that was too difficult to do. Now it opens up. This is the file I've been working with. Let's reopen it. You're going to notice about 8 seconds in the video. It's going to have a marker right there. Look where my marker's at. And to get to Motion Tracker, edit, scroll down till you see Motion Tracker. When you click it, this is where my window goes, and it's 8 seconds of the video. The Motion Tracker normally starts in the middle. No? Let's move it. Let's right-click on Motion Tracker, remove it, and add a motion track. There you go. And it's rectangular. I don't want a track. I put it to the side. This is going to go all over the place. It may even go small. I don't want to track the whole video. I only want to track about that much. So let's make sure our arrow is to the beginning and click track. Notice how it's going all over the place. Change the size of the box. We did step 1. We're going to follow step 2, which we did track. And then the third step is what we want to blur out of the motion. There's the blurred box. Bring it in. And I'm blurring the box. And click OK. And then I'm good to go. My box is blurred. Now, if I wanted to go into Motion Track again, in the Motion Tracker, PowerDirector uses the source clip for preview. If you applied reverse on the clip, it will be removed. Do you want to continue? Yeah. I guess I want to do another track. I add a track. I want to blur my face. So I know I'm over here. Let's put everything over here. Let's hit track. It's doing its job. It's blurring my face. I don't want to blur this whole thing. Stop. I'm good to go. So are we blurred? Yeah, there we are. Click OK. Hit no. And now, there's my face blurred. There's my box blurred. Sometimes programs don't work the way you want it to. If I come in here and just close everything out, say no, reopens up, come here, re-import, bring the video back in, go into the edit, go into motion track, my box is there, this line's there, there's my existing track 2, and my track 1, click OK, and play. But it's not there. Sometimes programs are never perfect, and PowerDirector 2024 is one of those, never perfect.